Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We are going to carry on with our Creating Cells series. This is the painting that we did last weekend, and it was the Dutch pour. And as you can see, it did create cells as we wanted it to. Very pretty painting. It's got some metallics in it, very bright and colorful. Love the way it turned out. I will be photographing this today and putting it in my Etsy shop. The other one that we did was this one, which also created cells, but it dried very dark, which I don't really like. So we're going to just paint over this one today. Yeah, I'm just going to cover this with a white base that we can paint over, and then we'll get started. Okay, I've covered that with white. It'll do. So what I've done is I've mixed up some colors, and into each of the colors I have put about 4 drops of silicone into each of the colors. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 colors, and I have put about 4 drops of 100% silicone oil into each color. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to layer these colors down onto the canvas. Now I'm just going to tilt this a little bit because there is a lot of paint on here now. And oops, it's all slippery. Get on that side. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is yeah, got paint everywhere. Let me just wipe my hands. Okay, I'm just going to hit that with a heat gun quick. Okay, I've just mixed these paints so they are full of bubbles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is here I've got some black. This has no silicone in. It's just normal black paint, no silicone in. And I'm going to put this down up top over here. And then into that I am going to dip paper towel. Just dip it in. And I'm going to swipe down. Okay, and then I'm just going to tilt that top piece off. Just like that. But look at the cells. They've already come up, and I haven't even hit this with a heat gun yet. So I'm going to quickly hit this with a heat gun. And there you'll see the heat gun has brought up more cells. Wow, this is so pretty up here. Let me bring you down quick. Look at that. So now let us just tilt this out a little bit. I'm just going to take it over that side. It is over. I'm going to take it over this side. It is over. Back to the middle. Actually, let's just down the bottom here. Okay, that is over. Back to the middle. And then up that way. Wow. Well, that is very, very, very pretty. The green, most of this painting is green, and that green is actually metallic. So, and that pink is also metallic. So I think when this is dry, the whole entire painting is just going to be all shimmery and shiny and pretty. So that's nice. Right. That is really very, very cool. So just make sure that paint has actually covered all your corners. And that's it. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So everybody, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of this painting. And I will be back tomorrow as we do yet another technique on getting cells easily in acrylic pouring. So be sure to join for that. And please check that you've subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, join along. I'd love to have you with us, and your support would mean the world to me. So I'll see you all tomorrow, everyone. Bye.